Okay, I'm taking a video of all of the plumbing and the electrical in our home because I was going to take pictures of all the walls and that was just getting ridiculous. So I'm in the garage. That's the, oop, there we go. That is the water spigot outside, electrical panel, got the water heater and the HVAC. So this is the back wall. We got a plug right there. And then we've got electrical running up here, which means we could probably splice off of it and do Christmas lights. I don't know. Here's the ceiling and the plumbing. Okay. Again, that's hot water heater. There we go. Okay, it looks like they're getting ready to insulate, but there's no insulation here yet. Okay. Front door. This is the study. So I'm going to go this way. Nothing above the windows, so it's all down low, except for right here. This is the other wall and the back side of the bathroom, the powder bath. Okay, here's the closet for the study. Again, we already saw that. There's nothing on this wall. Oh, I lied. There is. There's that. Comes up to here. There is nothing on this wall. Okay, now here we're in the closet. So we have that. We have the electrical outlet up here. And nothing under the stairs. There you go. Okay. Now we're going to come out here. Well, there are all the plans for the house. Okay. Now we are coming into the laundry room. Let's do the laundry room. Come over here, back up. This is the wall heading to the laundry room. Okay. And then here is the laundry room. Kind of dark, I'm sorry. We've got that outlet. We have the water for the plumbing and the outlet for the dryer. And then that plumbing going up there. Oof. Okay. And then come around this way. There's nothing on that wall. And I have that. Okay, so now we're in the kitchen. This is going to be a cabinet. And that's the air vent for, I'm assuming, the microwave. So we have the electrical for the stove, because that is where the stove resides. That is the back side of the master closet. But I'll get around to that. Okay, got another outlet there. Got more electrical here. Running up. Okay. And then this is the island. And the electrical for that. Okay, this is the pantry and the back side of the master sinks. Sorry, primary sinks. Okay, that's what that is. And then we have this. Let me come into the pantry. And all that. There's nothing above it. And that is the switch for the pantry light. Okay. And then this is going to be cabinetry here. And the refrigerator. Okay. Okay, this is the dining room. Let me get this side. This is the stairwell, clearly. So we have that. It piggybacks up. I don't know where it's going to. But anyway, got all that. That outlet. We have this. So when we put in our double doors for the dining room, or the sliders, we just have to move that one piece of electrical and frame that in. Okay. There's nothing here. This is the living room. We have that. Okay, and then we've got, okay, this has to be for cable, I'm assuming. Yeah. Not that we'll ever have it, but okay. And then we've got another light here. And then we come back down here. Let's go to the perimeter. Whatever that is. I don't know what that is. Okay. All right. Luckily, the door has the mini blinds in it, which is nice. That's the outside power outlet. Okay. So we have another outlet here on this side. And we have another outlet here. Oh, that's weird. That's a lot of outlets. On the wall, I probably wouldn't get it. We've got that, which I don't know what that is, but there you go. All right, into the primary suite we go. I'm thinking that this might have something to do with the security system. So here we go. We've got that. And then come down here. Another outlet, another cable TV. And a spray foam for that outlet. We got another outlet there. Oh, they did a lot of spray foam. That looks nice. This is the water spigot for outside. And then another outlet underneath the windows. This is nightstand light outlet 1. Comes around the back side. And then there's another for a light switch. And then we have this wall. There's another outlet. Golly, lots of outlets. outlet in the master. Okay, now, sorry, primary. Now we are going into the first walk-in closet, which is right there. There's a 0 electrical or plumbing on any of these walls, so that's good. There's plumbing on this because that is the water closet. That's the toilet. And that is the light switch for the first walk-in closet. Okay, there's nothing in here except for an outlet. Okay, and then there's that plumbing right there. Okay, shower. All we have is that and that light switch, or that light fixture. And then we have the exhaust fan. Okay. And then nothing here. That's for the shelves. Okay, coming around this way. This is the front side of the sinks. We're gonna have double plumbing put in, so there you go. Here's one outlet, 2 outlets. So I need to come measure here, so then when we put in hang on. When we put in the medicine cabinet, because we're going to have a medicine cabinet. All right, second walk-in closet. This is just the back side of everything we saw for the kitchen. And again, there's nothing on this wall, which would make a really nice place to put a door for the laundry room. I'm thinking that everything here is also for the smart home situation. And electric box. Okay. That is everything for the main floor. Is that right? Did I do the bathroom? Powder bath. We did that. Let me redo the powder bath. This is the hall closet, which will be a coat closet. And this is the half bath. There you go, and then that. Okay, now we're going upstairs. 15 minutes to do the downstairs. Holy smokes. Okay. Going up. Building. Okay. This is the game room. We have electrical box, light switches, all the power up there. And then back up so I can get it in there so I can kind of figure out how far it is. There's plumbing. So no screwing anything into the wall there. There we go. Electrical. We come this way. Got another electrical. Nothing above the windows. And then, of course, they walled off my fantastic area, which makes me mad. Shut the windows because it's going to storm. Okay, so that's all we got there. Actually, right here, there is an outlet on. That's a weird place for an outlet. Again, don't know. Okay. Again, air ducts. Come this way. It's too bad that pole wasn't over a little bit, because then we could build in a little linen closet right there. But they didn't ask me. Okay. Again, there's an outlet. All right. Here's this wall. They've only framed this for one of these little teeny doors. We will eventually have that busted out and have a full door because Mama's got a broken back. And they said that they would deck that a little more, but they have not. So there's that. Okay. Anyway, so there's all that electrical. Would have made sense if they just went over and then up, but they did not. Okay. First bedroom. Okay. Come in. There are 2 electrical outlets there. This is the closet, which doesn't have anything in it. Oh. But we could bust in right here and utilize that for storage if we needed to. Okay. I'm just all about unused spaces. I like to utilize spaces. Okay. There's that electrical. There's nothing above. Oh, let me get the roof line in here. There you go. So that's what's going on the outside. Okay, then we have an outlet here, probably for a nightstand. Kind of weird. One there, probably for a nightstand, and then one there. And then there's the light switch. Okay. Now we're going to go in the bathroom. Okay. We're in the full bath upstairs. There is nothing on that wall. There is that switch. That's clearly an electrical outlet. That's where the electrical runs. That is the single sink, which I think I might leave a single sink. I haven't thought about that yet. Okay, and then there's that outlet. And then there's nothing here. except for, you know, water in the tub. That's for the toilet. And the water. Okay. Okay, now we're going to come into the second bedroom that's in the front of the house. There's that. This is at the end of the hallway. Okay, coming in, there are two outlets right next to each other here. Oh, those must be for smoke detectors. Okay. There's nothing, well, yeah, there is. Nothing on this side of the wall. Then we have this outlet. And then that wiring. And there's nothing there. And all of these I can do a ceiling fan, which is good. This piggybacks off there. Okay. Don't know what these are. Probably, oh, it's for the HVAC. Okay. So those black lines, the HVAC, and then another electrical outlet, and then a little 5-foot closet, and again another outlet, it appears, and a light switch. This closet is probably 5 feet. Okay. Now we're going in the back bedroom. And again, that's the back wall. That's clearly the roof line. Okay, and then you've got electricity there. Going through. I again don't know what all those little black wires are. It's probably smoke detectors or I don't know. But those go through the house. Okay. And then right next to the window, we have plumbing. And an electrical outlet right underneath the window. That's kind of silly. Okay. And if I wanted to add another window, it would have to be added right there in that corner because the roof line's there, unless I went with a long skinny window. Anyway, and then there is another outlet. That's of course the light switch. And then this is a bigger closet because that stuff is running through the other closet. Again, a lot of wasted space back there, drives me nuts. So, yeah, so there's that. Okay. And then we already saw all of that. The spider, known as the HVAC system. Let me look at the back of this. There you go. So nothing ever going on that wall. Okay. Another outlet there. So pretty much 2 feet, 2.5 feet off the ground is all the electrical for the most part. And that's the HVAC. There we go. Really nice to stick a window right there, but that's a bummer. We have a light here. Just saw that. Okay, that appears to be it. Gonna grab a couple, get the hammer out of the car and get these out of the floor. Oh, this was supposed to be a little poke through because that's right over the foyer and or the entry with the window. So anyway, this is our house before any insulation and drywall. There you go.